Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Settings so you can change display behavior system-wide. Unlock your Samsung and swipe down, then tap the gear icon. Once in Settings, make sure you're at the top level rather than inside a specific app settings. Use the settings search bar and type, Screen Timeout, or Display to find the option fast. This saves time and avoids tapping through unrelated menus. Now you're positioned to access the display options that control screen timeout values. Once done, navigate to Display to locate Screen Timeout or Sleep settings. This is where the system chooses how long the screen stays on. Tap Display, then find Screen Timeout or Sleep. If you don't see it, make sure you check Lock Screen or Advanced Display settings because some UI versions move it. For newer Android builds, the option might appear under Screensaver or Sleep. You need to reach the exact menu that lists time intervals like 15s, 30s 1M up to 10M. Now choose the maximum timeout or never if your Samsung presents that choice. Tap it and exit settings to apply. Make sure battery saver or adaptive battery is off because those features often override long timeouts to save power. If the option keeps reverting, restart the phone and check for system updates, since some UI versions relocate or restrict timeout settings. Also verify any work profile or device management policies that may enforce screen sleep. Removing those.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.